Good afternoon, guys. Nick here with Kaizink Screen Print and Embroidery, and today I'm going to show you how we do separations for a left chest. So what you want to do is you want to have Separation Studio open, and you're going to come up here to Open, and we're going to go to the farm. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Metro Main, Farm, CB Orders. All right, what I'm working on currently is a Corebridge order. And the job number that we're going to be doing today is 17662. Go ahead and plug that in. We're going to go to production files, and we're going to go do a left chest today. So I know it's a left chest file because it is labeled LC. So I'm going to go ahead and double click that. And it opened up the file. So as you can see here, we have our final white. These are going on black garments, so we don't need to change the background. If we wanted to change the background, simply come over here to your textiles. If the textile screen is not open, you can click on that over here, and it will open up your textiles. And if we wanted to change the background to match more of what the garment we're going to be printing on, you can just select a color and then hit the T-shirt button, and that's going to change your background. So whatever color garment you're going to be printing on, you can utilize that. So we're going to keep it black. Again, we do want to add a base to this as they are going on black shirts, so we want to make sure it's a nice bright white on there. So you're going to come up here to base, and we're going to adjust our choke to 0.04 with a solid. We have solid and halftones. Here we want to utilize the solid. Go ahead and hit apply, and we can see here that our live base has been generated. So now we need to place the image on the screen for print. So we're going to come up here to print. In this screen, you want to make sure that your separations are both on. Otherwise it will not give you that separation for production. We're going to come over here to marks and layouts. We have a few different templates to utilize here. So we're looking for a left chest final. We're going to go ahead and select that. And with that template, it automatically places it exactly where we need it. So we do not need to adjust our X or our Y axis on that. So once we get that, we're going to go ahead and hit save. And we want to ensure that that's saving in our 23 by 31 55 LPI folder. And we'll go ahead and hit save on that. It's asking me to replace it. I've done it once, so we're going to go ahead and hit yes, replace that. Separation saved successfully. And then you just hit OK. Thanks for watching, guys.